Do you like to make $270,000 annually by posting a few videos? Too good to be true, right? But I'll prove to you someone just doing that. So you can follow the same strategy to make tons of money on YouTube without showing your face, without even touching a camera, and without any experience or skills. And I want you to know that you can do this from anywhere in the world, and it will take just a few minutes to create these kind of videos without spending a cent. Yes, this will be absolutely free. And if you appreciate me researching for these kind of strategies and create and upload these videos daily, support my channel by liking this video, leave a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and turn on the notification so you'll get a notification whenever I upload a new video. So this person over here is doing the same thing I'm gonna teach you, and he's making a lot of money online. The owner of this YouTube channel uploads several relaxing videos, and what you'll find when you scroll down is that the vast majority of these videos are beach sounds. People love to listen to these and relax, sleep, meditate, or even study. So this is the first reason why we want to make these videos. Well guys, people love them. They get a lot of views, so you can make a lot of money creating them. And the second reason why we want to make these videos is it's really easy to create these kind of videos, guys. As I said earlier, it will just take less than 20 minutes to create one. So let's open up some of these videos, and as you can see, this video has got over 500,000 views and it will run up to 12 hours, guys. You can scroll through this video and see they are only playing just one clip. See the view count. They've got over 9.9 million, almost 10 million views, guys. And this one right here has got 9.8 million views. And as you can see, people love these videos, guys. They are insanely popular, as I said. All of these videos have a common feature. They're all created exactly the same fashion. The video you see of this ocean is literally a 30-second to 1 minute long clip that is looping for however long the video is, guys. This video is 11 hours long, and you can see throughout the video it has the same small clip, and if you go to the other video, it's the same. And they have ocean sound as the background music, which is also no longer than a minute and looping as well. So guys, making a video like this is very simple and easy, and I'm gonna teach you how to get the video as well as the audio and how to combine both of them and create something like this in less than 20 minutes. And more importantly, you won't have to pay any amount of money for this. So you also can make some videos just like this and make a lot of money as this channel does. So how much do you think that this channel makes? Let's find out. So I came over to socialblade.com, and according to Social Blade, this channel is making up to $270,000 annually. As you can see, the owner of this channel puts a small effort to do this, and you can see they have only uploaded 96 videos. In all those 96 videos, they are using the method I'm gonna teach you today. So basically, he earns 6 figures for doing nothing. And I have to tell you guys, if you make these kind of videos regularly, the revenue you make will 3 times higher than this guy. Point being here is that making these videos can earn you money passively as well. I don't know why this channel has uploaded just 96 videos, and as you can see, it has started in 2017. Now it's almost 4 years. Maybe I think this is because the videos are so long. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. Having longer videos has several benefits, guys. First off, you can put more ads in these videos, which means you can make far more money from a video. And secondly, you don't need to upload that often. So long story short, making these videos is extremely easy, and you don't need to upload them that often at all. Well, if you like, you can upload as much as you like. I also have to show you another video from another channel, and that video has got over 54 million views. And you can see throughout this 11-hour video, you can find only a photo looping over and over again. Just one photo, guys, not even a video clip, and it has got over 54 million views, guys. And also in the background, it plays the same sound again and again. So let's start creating content, guys. So let's find a video clip for video, guys. So you have to come over to pixabay.com. On this site you can find both royalty-free images and videos, guys. So in case you want to make a video just like I showed you earlier, just using a photo without a video clip, you can search for photos over here, images. And I have to tell you that if you create a video using a photo, the file size of that will be lower, and if you care about the data when uploading, it's better to go with a photo. And in this video I'll give you a free tool that will reduce the file size that you're going to upload to YouTube without reducing the video quality of it. So here you can search for ocean and find a video clip or a photo. You can choose whether you want a video or a photo. For now, just search for a photo. And guys, I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so spend some time here to find the perfect photo or the clip for a video. Just after you choose one, go over to that and click free download. And now we need some audio, and that should be royalty free as well. So you have to come over to freesound.org, and on this platform you can find audio that you can freely use in your own videos, guys. You'll find thousands of royalty-free sounds over here. So before you download any sounds, you have to register by clicking this register button over here, and you have to fill this simple form. Give a username, email and a password. Read the terms of use as I always say, and check the box and tick to confirm that you're not a robot and create an account. And after logging in, you should type ocean sounds or maybe ocean waves. So you have got 1032 sounds, guys. Enough, right? So listen to these sounds, choose one, and in this case I'll choose this one, and go over here and click download. And I hope you guys are getting some value after this video. If so, leave a like to it, guys. Give a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, then do myself a favor by hitting that red subscribe button and tap on the bell icon so that you won't miss out on any new content. And now you have both the video and the audio for your content, so you need to combine them. And if you are using a Mac, you can do this easily via iMovie, and for other users you can go over to openshot.org, and it's simple and free for Linux users, Apple users, Windows users and Chrome users. All of you can use this application. So in order to download this, click download and download the application. So I'll show you how to do this. It's pretty similar in both of these softwares. So in this case I'll go with iMovie. So here we have the image we downloaded and the audio clip, and in this case you have to drag this image until the video is like 1 hour long or however long you want to make it, guys. So drag it just like this, and the audio you have to copy the audio, Ctrl+C or Command+C, and come over here and paste it like this, and again paste it like this, and that's how you're going to look this. And if you want to use a video instead of a photo, you can drag it like that. So imagine if this is a video, you have to again copy this and go to the end of the clip and Ctrl+V or Command+V to paste it, and you have to paste it all the way to however long you want to make it, and copy and paste these audio files as well. So no special skills required, no paid softwares, and you don't have to spend hours, guys. You just need to drag both of these until your video is like 1 hour long or however long you want to make it, and you need to render this and upload to YouTube. If you want to compress the file you're about to upload to YouTube and you want that file size to be reduced without reducing its quality, you can come over to handbrake.fr and download this free application. So here you can convert your video from nearly any format, free and open source software, multi-platform, Windows, Mac and Linux, and it's free, guys. So with just 2 clicks you can compress the file without reducing the video quality. If you need any help on that, just leave a comment down below. I really love answering your questions, guys. So share this with your mates, like this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.